Got Blitz Nur Spec R for Subaru Impreza 2006/7. I'll be doing a full review when it's fitted to the car. You've got a 2.5 inch flange with through resonator through to 3 inch flange, 3 inch flange all the way through to back box. Nice welding, nice detail. Nur Spec R logo. On this particular model, if we turn it over, you've got a bung inside which is bolted on, which actually will quiet it down for track use. Very well made. Two sections. Blitz Nur Spec R 2007 GDB Euro. Just fits nice. Go on then.